Hi. So I created new setup for my Stanhopeas, but please don't laugh. Those baskets are huge, but there's nothing I can do. I checked Canadian Tire, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Rona, basically all the stores that could carry them. And every store has them in one size, 14-inch. It's like they cannot imagine that people might want other size, like smaller. So some of them even had ones with like designs, some maple leaves or stuff. Um, so I got these plain ones, but they're so big. My son looked at them and he said they look medieval. Then I looked and yeah, just missing some fire torches and it looks like medieval chandelier. But hopefully Stanhopeas don't care about the look, right? Because my Stanhopeas, they used to live in these wooden baskets, and I heard from many people that it's not a good idea because the flower spikes might get stuck in the corners. And yeah, so I wanted to switch them to something with less wood. And so in my head, I had those baskets. But I really hoped that I could find a smaller one. And now is really good time because my Stanhopea started new growth. See, this is a new growth. And I think they had been disturbed and doing it, since I need to do it, doing it when the new growth is there. I think it's the best option. So for now, I created this little nest for my, because my Stanhopea is not that big yet, right? I created a little nest, and I do continue searching for the smaller basket. So when I find one, I will be able to just, lift the whole nest and move it into smaller basket. Because like this is ridiculous. But hopefully this whole setup works for my Stanhopeas. So this is my Stanhopea Kannata, which started a new growth, and this side of my shelf getting more light. It gets more light, and this Stanhopea doesn't mind it. See, it has dark leaves, and there's no problems with leaves. Now my second Stanhopea right here, this is Genesiana, and I'm having this little problems that might or might not be related to the too much light. So I kind of hiding it from the light. It's getting really low light in this situation because this is the opposite side of where the sun shines. It's still kind of bright because it's close to the window, but no sun is getting on this plant. And yeah, the same nest in a huge chandelier. So yeah, those are the and inside that nest there's just sphagnum moss, because I find they did really good in a sphagnum moss in those baskets, in wooden baskets. So I basically didn't want to change that. There is a sphagnum moss inside of this coconut fiber circle, kind of, and see, it was huge. Of course, the size of, so I cut the most of it, but I left a little bit just in case I would need to expand. But for now, it's just folded there. Even though it's huge, they do look pretty cozy in those nests. So I hope Stanhopeas like them. So please let me know what you think. One and another. Do you think it'll work? And yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day.